Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u squared because I want to cancel about the square root. That's why we need to use about u squared in here. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s, we have ds. First derivative of u squared, we have to u du. So I will put this one going here and here. Ds we change by this one. So this one we have u. This one we have u. Next, I will put number 2 go outside. And u multiplied by number 1 and u. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to 1 plus u. Because we have u in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, I need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant. So you got about 0. This one, we have t, we have number 1. U, that's about number 1. So we have dt equals to du. So I will put this one to change for u. This one we change by t. Du we change by dt. Next, we need to expand this one. Now, we need to open parentheses. Next, so 2t plus t, we have 3t. Negative number 1, negative number 1, we have negative number 2. So we have t squared divided by t divided by t, and so we have negative t plus 3 minus 2 over t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of t, we have t squared over 2. The integration of number 3, we have 3t. The last one, that's about negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about 1 plus u. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have u equals to the square root of s. So I will put this one to change for u. This is the end. Thank you for watching.